Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Amisha Kulaso and today we will continue with the chapter Algebraic Expressions, Class 7, Chapter 10. So previously in this chapter we understood the meaning of algebraic expressions. So when we say algebraic expressions, what we say is that it is a combination of variables and constants or some coefficients. Okay, so algebraic expressions, what we said, it is a combination of some variables. These variables keep changing and constants or coefficients. Then later what we do is we can perform or we can combine. Okay, let's say we can combine them by using different operations, that is, say addition, then we can do subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so algebraic expressions, they are combinations of variables and constants, and these combinations can be done by different operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Later we saw how we can form these expressions. Then we learned some of the terms. Okay, first we learned what is a term in a given expression. So now in this given expression we have two terms. So one is 4p square q and another one is minus 3pq square. Okay, so these are our two terms. Then we learned something known as factors. Now the factors of these are what? We have 4, then we have p, we have another p and we have a q. Similarly the factors of this are 3, p, q and q. So these are the factors of these terms. And lastly we learned something known as numerical coefficients. So in this term 4p square q, what is the numerical coefficient? 4. And sorry, in this one, second one, minus 3pq square, numerical coefficient is minus 3. Okay, so then we also learned some types of expressions. First we learned is a monomial, in which we have only one term, say we have 7x. This is monomial expression. Then we learn binomial. In this what we learn? We learn there has to be two terms. Say 7x plus 2y. This is a binomial expression. Then we have a trinomial expression. Say you have a plus b plus c. This is a trinomial expression, and any when an expression has more than two terms, then we call it polynomials. Okay, also we learned something known as like terms and unlike terms. In like terms, what we have said is that the variables are same. Okay, and in unlike terms, variables are different. So all these things we learned in the first part of this chapter. Now today we will continue and we'll see finding the value of an expression. So now how do we find the values of any given expression? Say now in the first example we have find the values of the following expressions for x equals to 2. Now here the variable, the value of the variable is given. This is the value of the variable x. So what we have to do is wherever we see x we have to substitute 2 in place of x. Okay, so now let's look at the first example. We have x plus 4. So x value is 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So our value of the expression is 6. Next, say we have 4x minus 3. So 4 into x is what? Again 2 minus 3. 4 2s are 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3, 5. Value of expression is 5. Third one, say I have 19 minus 5. Now here into this is 2, then square. So 19 minus 5 into 2 square is what basically? It is 2 into 2. So that is 4. So 4. 19 minus 4 5s are 20. Answer is minus 1. Why minus 1? Sign of the greater number. Now say the value is given in negative. Okay. So see here n has a value of minus 2. So how do we solve this? We just need to be careful with the sign. So 5n minus 2. Now 5 n is what? Minus 2 minus 2. So 5 into minus 2 minus 10 minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. Sign of greater number is minus. 10 plus 2 is 12. So value is minus 12. Next, 5n square plus 5n minus 2. Now in this case you substitute 5. N is minus 2 plus 5. Again n is minus 2 minus 2. Now here see minus 2 the whole square, what we have said, if it is, so it is like this. So we have already discussed that if the number of signs are even, so now there are 2 signs twice here, so here answer will be positive. So minus into minus is because plus 2 into 2 is 4, so answer will be plus 4. So minus into plus 4 plus 5 2s are 10 plus into minus 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 2. 4 5s are 20 plus into minus minus 10 minus 2. So 20 minus 10, 10 and minus 2, 8. Okay, so answer is 8. Now say in this case what is given to you is that simplify the expression and find its value when a is 5 and b is minus 3. Now here 2 different variables are given with 2 different values. So 2a square plus ab plus 3 minus a. Now 2a square is what? A into a plus ab is a into b plus 3 minus a into b. So this is the formula. Now you have to substitute. A value is what? 5. So 5 into 5 plus a is again 5. B is minus 3. So be careful with the negative signs. Plus 3 minus 5 into minus 3. So 2, this will be what? 5 5s are 25 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 3 minus 5 3s are again minus 50. Now simply simplify it. 2, 25 plus into minus, minus 15, minus into minus, plus 15. 2, this will be 10 plus 15 plus 3, 18. So 2, this if you multiply you will get 20 plus 18, so that is 38. So this is how you can simplify any given expressions. Okay, so in this chapter what we have learned so far is that algebraic expressions, that they are formed from what? Variables and constants. Then the operations that can be carried out are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then expressions are made up of terms. Terms are added to make an expression. Then term is a product of factors. So every term has its own factors. The coefficient is the numerical factor in the term. Sometimes any one factor in a term is called a coefficient of the remaining part of the term. Then any expression with one or more terms is called as a polynomial. The one which has only one term is called as monomial. The one with two unlike terms is called as binomial, and the one with three terms is called as trinomial. Then we also saw about like terms and unlike terms. Like terms are the one which have same variables, and unlike terms are the one which have different variables. Then also we saw in situations by solving any equation we can find the value of any given expression. So that was it for this chapter. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.